In this lecture, we are going to talk about musical questions and answers. Like in the English language, we have questions and answers that we ask and somebody answers it. Well, in music, it's the same way. Questions, musical questions, and musical answers is what we're talking about. So, what are they? Well, musical questions usually end up on the notes other than the home note or the tonic. Okay? So usually they end up differing. They end up on a higher register than the home note, which is the tonic. Let's say if we take C and G. If we have, for instance, I have one right here. If we have this one, I'm going to skip to measure 13. Hopefully it'll go there. Now in that phrase, the question, ba da 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 dee da da da, that's the question. And the answer is coming back with other material that lands on C. The actual positioning of this little snippet of a phrase is in C major. So what we would have is a question going up to, it could either start on the tonic note or go above a tonic note, but it will always end above the tonic note. And then the answer to the question will either start with the same information in the first bar as the question and then trail off into the home key or the tonic, or it will start with a different set of notes in the first measure and go down to tonic from there. So you have question and answer. Question leaves tension unresolved. Tension is resolved when the answer comes in and you get one continuous stream that goes down to the tonic note, which in this case is C major. So question, you can think of it this way. The musical question gives rise to tension, musical tension, and then the musical tension is then released when the answer goes back to the home key. So let me play this again at 13. I'll show you. So when we did the first two measures of this question, it landed on the note G. But when we did the answer, it started on C and then ended on C. So it landed on the tonic note. So, and you'll find so many different questions and answers like this one. Let me go to 20. That is a question and answer too. Okay? So, bum, 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 bum. Or bum, 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 bum. That one right there. It lands on the G, gives rise to musical tension, and then the answer comes in and tries to calm the tension by ending on the tonic, which is C in this case. So I'm going to play it again. Okay, ready? All right. So, and we also have something else that I will get into in the next lecture, which is parallel question and answers, followed by contrasting questions and answers. And that opens up a whole new can of worms and variety. And I will see you in the next lecture where we talk about that. In the meantime, if you have any questions on the phrase versus or the phrasing versus the question and answer blankly, or just point blank, what is a question, what is an answer, please feel free to comment me or ask me in the Q&A, and I'll be glad to assist you.